Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here we'll go ahead and teach you how to replace a substring in a string. So what do I mean by a substring? A substring means a word or something that is in another place. So I'll go ahead and write it out, please, because the way to explain that is, let's go ahead and say we have str, that is strings of variables of, let's say, hello, world, table, chair, cup, tea, and so on. All right, so this is a string of values. Okay, these are strings, and each of these are substrings. All right, these are things that made up our string, and these are substrings. Now you can replace any of these. Can be able to replace this or that or this or any one of your choice. Let's go ahead and print. Go ahead and print LSTR. All right, so this can be printed out. Now we have. Let's go ahead and say substring substr equal to input. I'll go ahead and tell the user choose an old substring to replace. So go ahead and choose an old substring to replace, and sub LSTR2, I'll go ahead and say insert new substring. Insert new substring. Now if that is done, let's go ahead and check for the length of that. So go ahead and say length of sub LSTR1 is equal to, go ahead and check for the length of the, go ahead and say sub LSTR1. So we have to check for the length of that. Now we'll go ahead and use a while loop. So while LSTR dot find substring1. So it has to check for that is greater than 0. That means it exists. All right, then let I be equal to LSTR dot find, and let's say sub LSTR1. Then LSTR is equal to LSTR bring the value of new plus let's say sub string 2, that is the new, plus LSTR I plus the length of the old one. Okay, now let's go ahead and print out the replaced substring entirely. So go ahead and print LSTR again. So remember we printed LSTR the first one, this, and after we make the changes, we go ahead and print another one. Let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So these are the substring we have inserted: hello, world, table, chair, cup, and tea. Choose an old substring to replace. I want to replace word. Replace word. Insert new substring. Go ahead and insert Peter. And hello, Peter, table, chair, cup, and blah blah blah. Let's try that one more time. And let's say choose another one like table. Choose table, and let's go ahead and replace that with Paul. So that is replaced Paul, and I hope that is really very cool. Go ahead and put this down on your own system, play around with it and check out more on that. Let me go ahead and drag this down a little bit, and the code is just filling before you. In case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.